Good morning. So, my discussion for today is Module 5, Chapter 5, Fundamentals of Traffic Control. So, first, traffic control. It refers to procedures, devices, and communication systems that help vehicles and vessels safely share the same roads, rails, waterways, or airspace. Traffic control establishes a set of rules and instructions that drivers, pilots, train engineers, and ship captains rely on to avoid collisions and other hazards. Safe travel for pedestrians is an additional goal in highway traffic control. So, ang traffic control, ayan yung procedures or devices na ginagamit nila para hindi magkaroon ng collisions or accident. Okay? Sa roads man yan, sa rail, sa waterways, or airspace. Next, traffic control as applied to land transportation. A system of traffic engineering employing prescribed traffic rules and regulations are devices such as signals and markings to relieve vehicular congestion and air pollution, and to promote safety and pedestrian mobility, usually in heavily populated urban areas. In smaller towns with lighter traffic, similar but simpler control devices and engineering techniques are used. So, dito naman sa traffic control as applied to transportation, ito yung system na ginagamit nila or devices like traffic lights. Next, we have control techniques. The primary emphasis of traffic control is on the safe and efficient flow of cars, buses, vans, and lorries over urban streets and highways. The means of promoting this can vary from simple improvement of local streets by installing traffic signs and road markings to constructing comprehensive motorway control system such as comprehensive system use, access road meters to monitor and control motorway, closed circuit television surveillance to detect quickly and or any deterioration in traffic flow, and emergency services to provide aid in case of accident and injury. So, yan naman yung mga control techniques. Okay? Para maiwasan yung aksidente and also smooth yung flow ng cars, buses, vans, and any other vehicles or motor vehicles. Next, other traffic control techniques include the use of one-way streets, enforcement of traffic law regulations, channelization, building traffic islands, turning lanes, and so on, and the use of traffic signals. So, yan yung mga other traffic control techniques. Pero ang kalimitang ginagamit natin is yung mga traffic signals. Highway traffic control. Motorists depend on traffic control devices to avoid collisions and travel safely to their destination. Traffic control devices for highway travel include signs, signal lights, pavement markings, and a variety of devices placed on, over, near, or even under the roadway. So, signs yan yung makikita nyo. Yung signs ng no U-turn, signal lights, yan yung mga traffic lights, pavement markings, yan yung makikita nyo dun sa daan, yung mga puti na may arrow na dapat didiretso o dito ang liko. And also yung pavement markings na kulay orange, yung nasa gitna ng kalsada. Next, we have the primordial purpose of signal control. So, ano ba yung primordial purpose ng signal control? First, to minimize traffic conflicts and time delay, to reduce vehicular accident, and to economize manpower. So, yan yung purpose ng signal control. Okay? Para ma-minimize yung conflict sa traffic and yung time delay, ma-reduce din yung vehicular accident, and syempre to economize manpower. Hindi na kailangan ng mga traffic enforcer para sila pa yung mag-enforce doon sa mga vehicle kung saan sila pupunta or kung kailangan ba nilang mag-go or mag-stop. Next, we have classes of traffic signs. We have danger warning signs. These signs are intended to warn road users of danger that lies ahead of its nature. Itong classes of traffic signs, at the end of these slides, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga pictures or photos kung ano ba tong danger warning signs, regulatory signs, so on and so forth. So, danger warning signs, these signs are intended to warn road users of danger that lies ahead of its nature. Next, we have regulatory signs. These are intended to warn road users of special obligation, restriction, or prohibition with which they must comply. It is subdivided into 3 categories. Ito yung priority sign, prohibitory or restrictive sign, and mandatory sign. So, priority signs, these are signs intended to regulate priority over a particular road section or roadway intersection. So, itong priority sign, ito yung sign na nire-regulate niya kung saan yung pinakamahalaga doon sa roadway or sa intersection. Next, we have prohibitory or restrictive sign. These signs can be used on a specified section of the road that will be easily seen by motorists to indicate regulation that is prohibitive or restrictive in the nature. Next, we have mandatory signs. These signs are intended to guide road users of special rules in which they must comply for the safety, convenience, and smooth flow of traffic. So, yan yung mga classes ng traffic sign. Next, we have also informative signs. Dito naman sa informative signs, we have advanced signs, direction signs, place identification sign, confirmatory signs, and other signs indicating facilities road users. So, ipapakita ko rin yung mga pictures or photos niyan para ma-picture nyo. Okay? So, these signs are intended to guide road users while traveling and are subdivided into first, advanced signs. These are the names and distance of the principal destination or destination served by the intersection road. So, yan yung mga pangalan ng mga principal destination na pupuntahan ninyo. And also the distance kung gaano kalayo. Next, direction signs. Unlike the advanced direction signs shall be placed at the right of intersection to show the direction and destination of a route. Direction signs are different from mandatory signs, since these signs give only information as to direction and destination of place, while mandatory signs require compliance. Next, we have place identification sign. This may be used to show the frontier between two countries or for the process of showing the beginning and end of built-up areas. So, yan yung beginning and end of built-up areas. Yan yung tinatawag nating place identification sign. Yan siguro yung welcome, and then yung sa kapag ka sa end naman na yan naman na yung mabuhay ata sa end kapag for example, pupunta ka ng Tayog, manggagaling ka ng Tayog, sasabihin niya doon sa Arco, welcome. Then sa pinakadulo, or kapag pupunta ka na sa ibang municipality, yun ata, meron din isa pang Arco. Next, we have confirmatory signs. These are used to confirm the direction of a road. They shall bear the names of one or more places where distances are shown. The figures expressing them shall be placed after the name of the locality, and then other signs indicating facilities for road users. So, ipapakita ko lahat yung mga pictures niyan sa inyo. Next, types of roads. The main types of roads in the Philippines are as follows. First, we have the national roads, those connecting major cities. Provincial roads naman are those connecting cities and municipalities. They connect national roads to barangays. We have also municipal and city roads are roads within cities or towns. They connect to provincial and national roads. We have also barangay, village or suburb roads are other public roads within the barangay. Next, we have also expressways and highways with interchanges. Expressways in the Philippines are toll roads. Toll rates vary and payments are made in cash. Yan yung TPLEX, NLEX, EasyTex. Electronic payment is an option on some of the major expressways in the country. O, yan nga. The following are the main toll roads or expressways found in the Philippines. We have Manila-Cavite Expressway o yung Cavitex. Next, North Luzon Expressway or yung NLEX. Metro Manila is Skyway. South Luzon Expressway or yung SLEX. Southern Tagalog Arterial Road or Star Tollway. Subic-Clark-Tarlac Expressway or yung tinatawag nating EasyTex. And Tarlac-Pangasinan-La Union Expressway or yung tinatawag nating TPLEX. So, yan yung mga major expressways dito sa Pilipinas. Next, according to functions, okay, we have feeder roads intended to farm-to-market roads. Yan yung tinatawag kapag farm-to-market road. We have local collector roads intended to collect traffic from feeder road to municipal road. Major collector roads intended as major arteries to collect interlocality traffic to provincial road. Major highways serve as main artery that caters on big volume of vehicular traffic on national roadway. Yung sa harap or yung kalsada sa harap ng UAP highway yon. Expressway, alam niyo naman na yan. Thorough traffic for free flow of vehicular movement. Tunnel road, a passage of wide section curved through a hill or sea to shorten circuitous roadway. Alam niyo naman na yung tunnel road. Subway, an underground conduct running entirely under the ground for fast travel route commuters. And skyway sa taas, a modern urban system of roadway above street level for free flow traffic. So, subway, underground, skyway sa taas. Tunnel road, dadaan yan sa may mga, sa parang tunnel naman talaga siya. Kaya nga siya tinawag na tunnel road. So, next, according to topographical terrain, we have also flat road, zigzag road, step hill climbing road, downhill road, winding road, mountainous road, and roller coaster road. Roller coaster is parang sa Baguio or parang kapag pupunta ka ng Aurora. Roller coaster, zigzag, paikot-ikot. Zigzag ganun din, like Baguio. Next, we have boulevards, avenues, sidewalks, and intersection. Ipapakita ko rin yan yung photos. Boulevards and avenues distinguish kung ano yung pinagkaiba nila. Many are in quandary as to way of difference between avenue and boulevard. There is an international acceptance that they are both national roads. Both are broad thoroughfares, but boulevard is more prestigious and sophisticating than avenue. Often that boulevard is teeming with grass plots and trees along the center, the sidewalk, and oftentimes boulevard is with lighted posts in highly urban centers of the world. It is for this reason that the boulevard is named after the great men and heroes. So, sabi nila mas prestisyoso daw ang boulevard kaysa sa avenue. So, yun yung pagkakaiba nila. Sidewalk, it is an integral part of the roadways in metropolitan cities. Sidewalk sa gilid of the world, it is also one of the species of geometric design. Sidewalk is the answer for the safety of pedestrian safety. Yan yung dinadaanan ng mga tao. Sidewalk, sa gilid ng kalsada. The sidewalk reduces the hazard of pedestrian to slender yardstick of traffic engineering. And also intersection. Today, urban cities of the world walk on two legs, man and machine. But the continuity of its locomotion depends upon the interlinked connection of road network at intersection to meet traffic demand. The plan and design of intersection is based on traffic component, traffic volume, speed, traffic distribution, canalization of traffic accident, and future traffic demand. Intersection yan yung dito sa may Ordoneta or Binalunan, di ba may mga intersection dyan? Papakita ko rin yan para makita nyo kung ano bang intersection. Next, kinds of intersection. We have 3-leg intersection, 4-leg intersection, multi-leg intersection, and rotary intersection. Sa 3-leg intersection, we have T-type and Y-type. Sa 4-leg, we have right angle and oblique. Then, ito na yung multi-leg intersection and rotary intersection. Fundamental principles of intersections. Intersection should be avoided on curved section, bridge, attaching part, cutting, and crease near entrance of tunnel and besides railroad crossing. Siyempre, hindi ka naman pwedeng maglagay ng intersection sa mga bridge. Okay? Or entrance ng tunnel. Hindi din pwede. Intersection should not be greater than 4 legs, while 4-leg intersection is better the 3-leg intersection. However, if 5-leg intersection is unavoidable, it must be used only as an exit. Yung panglima gagawing exit. 2 roads should not intersect as a small angle, intersecting at least than 60 degrees makes it difficult for drivers to turn at acute angle and in effect constrict his visibility, particularly 10-wheeler trucks. Distance between 2 intersections should be based on land use of density and road network. Factors determine the minimum distance of 2 intersections, queue length by the control of traffic signals, length of waving section, length of turn, and limit of driver's concentration. So, yan yung mga fundamental principles of intersection. So, eto na yung mga photos ng different signs. So, first, we have the danger warning sign. So, ito yung mga danger warning signs na tinatawag natin. Next, we have regulatory sign. Ito naman yon, yung stop, no parking, no U-turn. So, yan yung mga yon. Next, priority sign. Ito naman yung mga priority sign natin. Then, we have prohibitory or restrictive sign. Ito. Yan yung mga restrictive sign natin. Yung mga hindi pwedeng gawin. Next, ito naman yung mga mandatory signs. We have also the advance signs. Direction signs, kung saan pupunta, kung liliko ba, keep left, keep right, straight ahead. So, yan yung mga yun. We have place identification sign. So, yan yung tinatawag nilang place identification sign. Pasay Intramuros Port Area. Tinuturo kung saan yung lugar na yan. Next, we have confirmatory signs. So, ito. Ang confirmatory sign. Nandito yung distance, 17, 32, 35. Then, ito yung place. Nottingham, Leicester. Next, we have boulevards. So, sa boulevard, okay, kung titignan nyo, mas maganda siyang tignan. Talagang mas prestigious kaysa sa avenue. Kapag nakaharap kayo, nasa left side ninyo ang boulevard. Avenue nasa right side. Next, ito yung sidewalk. Then, intersection. Ayan, yung intersection na tinatawag natin. Then, we have the T-type and Y-type intersection. Makikita nyo naman na siguro kung saan ang T and Y-type intersection dyan. Then, we have multi-leg and rotary intersection. Rotary yung parang nasa Mall of Asia. Yes, rotary intersection yun. Then, ito yung multi-leg intersection. Nasa kapag nakaharap kayo, nasa left side. So, that was the end of my Module 5 discussion. Thank you and God bless.